switch hitting second baseman will bat sixth. Alberto Rodriguez in the seventh spot, and in right field, Caden Polkovich will be patrolling left field. He's a switch hitter batting eighth. Blake Rambush is in center field. He'll bat ninth. Yumin Lin on the mound, just about ready for first pitch. It's time to turn off life and tune into the game. First pitch from Lin is going to miss outside. 43 on the year with 7 home runs. Here's the pitch to him. He checked his swing. It's a called strike anyways by Alex Shears. He's the home plate umpire. Steven Rios Jr. is the crew chief. He's at first base. Clay Williams is the third base umpire. On the year, Yumin Lin 3-5 with a 4.5 ERA. The southpaw winds, delivers the 1-1 pitch. It misses out.
Keep that cold stretch going.
2-1 pitch on the ground towards short, fielded on a few hops by Weber. His throw to first is caught by Kevin, 62 on the year. The lefty digs in against Lin. First pitch, a fastball, went right baseball. 0-1 pitch. He'll swing and foul this back. 0-2 pitch from Lin. Just outside. Great slider there from Yumin. Yumin will feature a fastball, a sinker, a cutter, a slider, a curveball, and a changeup. First time facing Arkansas this season. 1-2 pitch. It's fouled back. 1-2 side. Winds and delivers his 1-2. Went to the slider and it missed down. Another 2-strike pitch. This ball's lined into right field for a base hit. Reached out and got that one, was Young. And that's the first hit of the game with 1 out. So now Hogan Windish will come to the plate, batting from the right side. The first pitch to the big man is going to miss outside at 93. 1-0. Windish batting .211 on the year, has 12 home runs and 53 RBIs. 2 for 10 in the series. Arkansas wearing camouflage jerseys with gray pants and black caps as Yumin Lin will step off the back of the mound and fire over to first. An interesting left-handed 1-0 pitch. It's in the dirt, blocked by Caleb Roberts. Plays the righty to pull, 2-0 count. Fastball misses up and away. It's 3 and
hit right-handed.
3-0 pitch, and he got it in the zone there. Will bat right-handed. 3-1 pitch, and he gets a swing and a miss. Beautiful pitch series. Young going with the pitch. He's going to pick him off. Graham fires to second base. He'll get tagged out. Nice move from Yumin Lin. That's the second out of now a payoff pitch to Windish. And it misses outside.
Again, you don't mind that walk as much.
The right side with his socks up high. First pitch. Fastball misses up and away. Is 3 for 9 with a double. Here's the pitch to him. The slider misses inside. 2-0. Windish at first base has 16 stolen bases. Everybody in this lineup. Caleb Roberts will have to be up to the task. 2-0 pitch. That one's way outside, and it's 3-0. 3-0 pitch. Fastball up and away. So that's the second consecutive walk. It'll put runners at first. Righty. He's taking a fastball right down the middle. So an effective runs yet in this game in the top of the first. Here's the 0-1 pitch. Went to the slider. It's a called. Lin comes set. Here's his 0-2 delivery, and it's a changeup. Excuse me, that was a fastball. Northwest as well. 1-2 pitch, and that hit the back foot, black foot slider. That was quite literal. And after going ahead 0-2, he's put another base runner on. 3 free passes have loaded the bases. Yumin Lin works out of the windup. The first pitch to the righty and sprawling out to
hurt you too much.
1-0 pitch. Fastball painted on the outside part of the plate. Lin's ready for the 1-1. Winds, delivers, and a changeup. His gear to give signs. 1-2 pitch. Fastball outside. Lin delivers the 2-2, and it's fouled straight back. But he was really effective at high A. 2-2 pitch, a fastball misses, but he's going to basically be at the next base by the time he pitches. Here's the pitch. It's a fastball outside. And so
quickly, this could be the last hitter he faces.
Alberto Rodriguez will take ball. Game coming up for Yumin Lin. Pitch in the air to left field, and this is going to be right at Cintrone. Lin's going to escape with only 1 run of damage. It took a while. And now Yumin Lin takes the mound again. He'll face Caden Polkovich in the
footer. A little bit more time to get his mind right.
0-1 pitch misses outside. It's 1-1. Here's the 1-1. And that one misses outside. It's 2-1. Polkovich, the switch hitter, batting from the right side. Here's the 2-1 pitch to him, and that's a game so far. 3-1 pitch. And he walked him. Fastball outside, a 5-pitch walk for Yu-Min Lin. That's his 4th walk
tonight.
Blake Rambush at the plate. The first pitch to the righty is a called strike on the inside bases through the first 8 batters. 0-1 pitch, cutter at the top.
Get these guys.
On the ground towards third, fielded on a hop by Valdez. He'll go to second, now to first. No, he's safe at first. It looked like it was going to be a double play, but an emphatic safe call from Steven Rios Jr., the crew chief at first base.
I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one.
Yeah, we'll see here, but it looks like he was out.
And kind of a slow throw over to first by Walters. Looked like he thought.
Credit to Rambush, he hustled up the line. The center fielder has good speed. The lineup turns over to Harry Ford. Lin with the runner at first, 1 out. Here's the pitch. Fastball misses outside. 1-1. Infield plays the righty Ford to pull. Faking like he was stealing. The pitch is fouled off. 53rd in all of baseball. 1-2 pitch to him. It's for the pitch as Lin is set. He's going to pick over to first before, though. 2-2. Getting back safely was Rambush. 7 base runners already. Ball can really run and has a great arm. Scorched to center field. It's right at A.J. Vukovic. A line drive that carried to the end.
Get rid of this Arkansas offense right here.
Left on left matchup. Cole Young. 3-1 Amarillo leads. Off with the pitch is Rambush. The throw to second base is going to go all the way into center field. Now Rambush heads towards third. He'll get there safely. A steal and then an error on Caleb Roberts. Roberts has been in here the whole year. 2-0 pitch to Young, and that one misses down. The pitch to Young. Fastball misses up, so it was 2-1.
3-2 actually.
Here's the pitch. Fouled back. It's tough to strike out. 3-2 pitch to him. He'll foul this one back. 21 this season. 3-2 pitch. In the air to right center field, pretty well struck. It's going to send Robinson back into the corner. He's calling off Vukovic. He leaps and he can't make the catch. It'll fall. 1 run will score. Vukovic is going to get the ball in, and heading to third is Cole Young. We'll see how that is ruled, whether it's an error. Hogan Windish at the plate. He walked and scored. First pitch to him. He fouls this, but he's got to give that to the center fielder there. 0-1 pitch to Windish. Hammered. Center field. Vukovic goes back. He's at the track. He leaps. It's gone off the batter's eye. Boy, things can change quickly. It's 4-3 Arkansas. A 2-run home run for Hogan Windish, his 13th of the season.
It's a tough break, and you knew Hogan Windish was going to find a home run at some point in the series. Comes at a costly time.
Williamson walked and was stranded at third in the first inning. First pitch to him is 1-0 pitch to him. Fastball outside, 2-0. Stick there at the higher levels. 2-0 pitch. Jammed, fly ball into right center field. Robinson calling everybody off. He'll make the grab for the final out of the inning. After Amarillo scored 3 in the bottom of the 4th, Arkansas responds with 3 of their own.